Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I've had a parcel arrive from Born Pretty. So they've sent the metallic drawing gel, the extension nail gel non-stick hand in soft nude. This is a jelly gel. We've got a thermal jelly gel. And then this one is the quick extension gel. But this one is absolutely stunning, guys. Wait till you see this. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to do a quick swatch video today, and then in another video I'm going to do a full set using some of the products. So I'm just going to get these all unpacked and then we'll have a little look at them, shall we? So the first one is the Jelly Nude Gel Polish BPJN20. So this is a deep jelly red. I really like that. Look at that. That would be amazing, you know, to do blood drips. Really like that. So I'm going to quickly cure that. So I'm going to give that a second coat, but I really don't think it needs it. But do you know what I think this is going to be good for as well? I think this is going to be quite good to do wood grain effect. It's super clear. I love how clear that is. Can't really see. I'm just trying to think how I can show you how clear it is. It is really clear. Some of these jelly gels are a bit cloudy, but these are super clear. Yeah, I really like that. So like I say, that's after 2 coats and it is still jellified. Love that. I've not got anything like that. Let's take a look at this one now, shall we? So this is the Quick Extension Gel SGE01. Oh, wait until you see this, guys. This is stunning. So I'm going to swatch this on the inside of the swatch stick. It is an extension gel, which means you can actually build nail extensions with it. This is a really pretty milky white. But look at that gold leaf running through it. Oh my days. It is so pretty. Look at that, guys. And you see all them pretty gold flakes? I can see me using that a lot. So I'm going to quickly cure that. So this one is a Jelly Thermal Gel JTG03. So this one is a jelly gel polish, guys. Beautiful colour, isn't it? Really pretty colour, that. So that's after 1 coat. Yeah, I really like that. So we'll see what it looks like after 2 coats. And that's after 2 coats. Beautiful colour. It all depends on what effect you're going for, but I prefer it after 2 coats, I think. So let's give that a quick cure, and then we'll take a look at that. Hot and cold. Right, guys, so I've got some hot water, and I've got some cold water. Let's check out this thermal, shall we? So I've given it a coat of the Born Pretty Super Top Coat. Amazing top coat this is, guys. Not only is it my favourite to apply, but how it wears as well. It lasts for so long, and look how shiny it is. Super shiny. Oh, it changes so fast. So that's what it's like when it's hot. Like a milky white. I'm really liking this milky white colour at the minute. And then the tip is what it's like when it's cold. How cool is that? So when you're actually wearing it on your nails, the heat from your finger is going to make it like that milky white, and then the tip that's going to be cold is going to be that pink colour, so it's going to look like a baby boomer, but the opposite way round. I really like that. I like both of them colours as well. See how cold it is in my room, guys? Look how quick that's changing back, because my room is freezing today for some reason. So yeah, that is really cool. I love that. So now let's have a look at the metallic drawing gel. So this is colour BP MD01 Alchemist. So it comes with the foil protective lid. So I'm just going to get that off very quickly. Ooh, look at that colour. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Let's take a look at this, shall we? Oh, wow, look at that, guys. That is stunning. So I'm just showing you what this is like to use as a gel polish, as a full cover colour. So although it is called a metallic drawing gel, you can still use it as a full cover colour. Look at that. Wow. That is beautiful. So I'm going to quickly give that a cure. And then lastly, let's have a look at this Born Pretty Extension Nail Gel Non-Stick Hand in Soft Nude. You get 15ml. Now, a lot of you guys already know that I am a massive fan of this solid building gel. It's an amazing product, especially for beginners. It's not sticky. There's no cleanup required. It stays exactly where you put it. And it's not going to cure until you put it in the lamp. So you can play about with it all day until you get that perfect shape that you want. So it's great to kind of practice your application and your shaping with. Now, I've got a few of these, and like I say, I am a massive fan. Not only that as well, when you're wearing this stuff, it is super, super strong. It feels like you've got acrylic nails on. I have actually got it on my right hand at the minute, and I have never had a nail break with this stuff. They feel just like acrylic nails. Amazing product this is. But although I have got a couple of nudes, they're not actually nude. They're more of a really light pink. But this, guys, is actually a proper nude. Wait till you see this colour. Look at that. A proper nude. Like some designs you can't have pink. It needs to be a proper nude. So finally, I got myself a proper nude. Now, Born Pretty, I've got 10 different shades of this, guys. I think that's the most shades I've ever seen in this stuff. They've got so many nice shades. So let's swatch it, shall we? Dying to see what this looks like. You can't always go on what it looks like in the pot, but I've got a pretty good idea of what it's going to look like. So I think I'm going to apply this with a silicone tool. You can use your hands, but I don't advise it, especially for people who has allergies and things. You shouldn't really touch products anyway. And you really do not need a lot of this stuff either, guys. A little bit goes a real long way. Right, so you don't need no slip solution with this either. If you find, if you're using a brush or a silicone tool like me, if you find the product sticking, you can just dip your brush or your silicone tool in a little bit of water. That is all you need. But I never seem to have a problem with this stuff sticking. I have heard some people say it before, but I have never ever had a problem with it sticking. So I don't know. Whether it's temperature, I'm not sure. Oh, look at that. I love that colour. That is such a beautiful nude. I love that. And like I say, some designs you need a nude base. You can't always use a light pink base colour. And I am a massive fan of a nude base anyway, so I can see me using that a lot. That is like my perfect nude. I love that. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Right, so I'm just going to go back to this metallic drawing gel, and I just want to show you what it's like using it for nail art. So I've pulled out this swatch stick, painted it, and then I've gone over it with a matte top coat. And now I'm just going to paint a simple little stencil rose over the top of that matte top coat. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of shot here, guys. I didn't actually realise until I come to edit the video. It's only this first bit. I will actually come back in shot in a second. And this gel is a really nice product to paint with, guys, because it's a really nice thin consistency. It just glides on lovely. So there we go, that's the rose all painted. So I'm now going to give that a cure. So that's all fully cured, and it cures without a tacky layer as well. I love that about this stuff. It's great because if you've already finished your design and you've already top coated, then decide you want to go in and do a bit of nail art over the top, you can do. But not only that, it's great for, like I've done here, if you want a matte background but you want the design to be shiny, it's great for those kind of designs because it doesn't need top coating. That's what it looks like using it for nail art. This is what it looks like using it as a full cover colour. Beautiful colour, isn't it? It's a much nicer gold than that horrible antique yellow gold. It's more of like a champagne-y gold. I really like it. So this is the deep red jelly gel polish. Again, another really cool product. I think I actually prefer that after one coat than what I do after two coats. But look how clear it is, guys. It's not cloudy whatsoever. This one is the thermal colour changing jelly gel polish. Really pretty colour. And I really like that milky white colour it goes when it's hot as well. Then we've got the milky white extension gel. I love how that's got the gold leaf in it. It's really, really unusual. Gorgeous. And then lastly, we have got the soft nude non-stick extension nail gel. Look at that colour. I'm absolutely buzzing that I've got a proper nude in that. So that is like a lot of people are calling the solid building gel. Still can't get over how clear that jelly gel is. It's really, really clear. So that is them all swatch, guys. I can't wait to do a set of nails using some of these gorgeous products now. So that's everything that Born Pretty has sent for us to check out. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. I'm going to leave the links to everything in my description box, guys. I've also got a 10% off discount code, which is GG10. Remember to use that to save yourself 10% off. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.